Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. In this video, we will look at how to find out the incenter of the triangle which is having sides as x plus y equals to 8, 2x plus y equals to 22 and 3x plus y equals to 22 as given in the figure. So we can solve this problem in two methods. One, we can find out the equation of angular bisectors, then the point of intersection is in center, and once we know the in center we can easily find out the in radius because that will be the perpendicular distance from in center to the any one of the sides of the triangle. Now another way what we can do is we can find out the vertices of the coordinates because these equations of the lines are very simpler, so the second method is more appropriate. So we can easily find out the coordinates of the vertices. Then we can find out the distance of the each side AB, BC, AC. Then we can apply the formula of incenter, which is A into x1 plus B into x2 plus C into x3 divided by A plus B plus C for x coordinate. Similarly for y coordinate, A into y1 plus B into y2 plus C into y3 by A plus B plus C. So let's go ahead and try to find out the coordinates here. X plus y equals to 8 and x plus y equals to 22. Now you subtract them, you will see that x equals to 14. So the point is 14 comma minus 6. Let's go to the next one. We have 2x plus y is 22, 3x plus y is 22. So the same value you are getting 22 on both the scenarios. That means x value should be 0 and y is 22. Let's go to the next one. We have x plus y equals to 8 and 3x plus y equals to 22. Subtract them, you get 2x equals to 14. That means x equals to 7. So y equals to 1. So this is what we have now. We have the coordinates of the vertices are 14 comma minus 6. Let's write down. This is 14 comma minus 6 and coordinates of B are 7 comma 1 and the coordinates of A are 0 comma 22. Now according to our formula, these are our this is our x1 and y1, this is x2 and y2, and this is x3 and y3. What is small a? Small a is equals to BC, small b equals to capital AC, and small c equals to AB. Let's find out first what is small a. Small a is equals to BC. So the distance between 7 comma 1 and 14 comma 6. So that will be square root of 14 minus 7 whole square plus 6 plus 1 whole square. I'm not deliberately not writing the minus signs because I know when you square it, it will be the same only. So this is square root of 7 square plus 7 square, that is root 98. So small a is equals to root 98. Let's go to B. B is nothing but AC, and that is coming from square root of 14 minus 0 whole square plus 22 plus 6 whole square. Simplify that, we will have 196 plus 784, that is square root of 980. Let's go to next small c, that is AB. AB is 7 minus 0 whole square plus 22 minus 1 whole square. that is 7 square plus 21 square, that is square root of 490. So we can write down here what is our small a, small b, small c. Small a is root of 98, that is BC, the least. Then we have B, which is opposite to AC, that is square root of 980, and C equals to square root of 490. So once we have everything ready for the formula, we can just apply the formula now. Let us substitute the values of A, B, C, x1, x2, x3, and y1, y2, y3 so that we can get the coordinates of the in-center. So I'll write down I equals to A into x1. A is root 98 and x1 is 0. So I can write down 0 plus b into x2. B is root 980 multiplied with 7. So I can say 7 root 980 plus c into x3. x3 is 14 and c is 490 in root. So 14 root 490 divided by a plus b plus c. A is root 98, b is root 980 and c is root 490. Similarly, let's go to the y coordinate now. A into y1, that is 22 root 98 plus b into y2, that is root 980 plus c into y3, that is minus 6 square root of 490 divided by a plus b plus c, that is root 98 plus root 980 plus square root of 490. Now what we will do, in the numerator and denominator, we will divide by root 98. So we will have 7 root 10 plus 14 root 5 divided by 1 plus root 10 plus root 5. Similarly, for y coordinate, again the denominator will be the same. Numerator, we will have 22 plus root 10 minus 6 root 5. Now let us substitute the values for this. We can plug in the values for square root of 10 and square root of 5. We will get our answer as 8.352 comma 1.836. So let me just write down here 8.352 comma 1.836. This is the center of the incircle, or they are the coordinates of the incenter. Now let's find out the radius. Radius is perpendicular distance of any side from the incenter. So we have 8.352 comma 1.836. Let us say this is our side. We can take the easiest one, that is x plus y minus 8 equals to 0. Now this distance is radius, so let's calculate that. That will be 8.352 plus 1.836 minus 8 divided by root 2. Let's calculate that. Once we got the radius, we can easily get the equation of the incircle. So the radius after calculation is 1.547. So we can write down our radius is 1.547. Now what will be the equation of the incircle? The equation of the incircle will be x minus h whole square, x minus 8.352 whole square plus y minus 1.836 whole square equals to 1.547 whole square. Now that's the equation of the incircle. Let's have a recap of this problem. We have been given three sides. We have to find out the equation of the incircle. Before that, we have to find out the coordinates of incenter. Now we can use equation of angular bisectors and the point of intersection will give us the incenter. That's one method. Another method, since the lines equations are very simple, we can easily find out the coordinates, but the distances are not, perfect squares, but that's okay. We can use root 2, root 3, root 5 values and we can easily find out the coordinates of incenter by using the standard formula that ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c is the x coordinate of the incenter. Similarly, y coordinates will be ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c. So we calculated the small a, small b, small c values. We have x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 with us. We substituted them. We got the coordinates of incenter as 8.352, 1.836. And the perpendicular distance from the incenter to any one side is nothing but the in radius, because we know that this circle will be touching all the three sides and all the three sides will be tangents to the circle. So perpendicular distance equals to radius. That concept gave us 1.547 is the radius. So the equation of the incircle is x minus 8.352 whole square plus y minus 1.83 whole square, 6 whole square equals to 1.547 whole square.